Good evening, students. Today we are going to start a class about colors, psychological effect and psychological properties of colors. In semester 1 you have studied what is color. Color is a most essential element of design. Today we are going to learn the psychological properties of color. For that, you have to understand about spectrum because all colors have different wavelength. So, to understand the wavelength spectrum, you have to know clearly about spectrum. So I have first to understand what is spectrum. So just have a look. See, spectrum in color world, spectrum is very important to know exactly about the colors. Spectrum is a band of colors as seen in rainbow. You can see here. How many colors? Sun rays have 7 colors, that is Vibgyor. In 17th century, Isaac Newton, a great scientist, has discovered about that when pure white light passes through a prism, it separates into 7 colors, the colors of rainbow, and they are called Vibgyor. So in this video you can see some another video. I will show you the clear spectrum. When a light passes through a prism, then see white light is passing through a prism and it dispersion is here into 7 colors, Vibgyor. Can you see this? And this is spectrum, the dispersion of colors. So from sun rays, so all the colors are coming to earth with different wavelength. For example, according to scientific research, the effect and impact of colors on our mind are used for making decisions around different situations. So color psychology is a very important tool used by artists, fashion designer, interior decorator, advertisement of product, and as a marketing mechanism is in many industries. So the wavelength, what is wavelength? The white light coming from sun rays and disperses in 7 colors. For example, the wavelength of red is the longest wavelength, so that's why red color is physical, and positive properties are physical courage, strength, warmth, energy, excitement, and negative properties are aggression, strain. So, look, this is the to measure the wavelength of a color. Can you see white light coming and dispersing 7 colors through prism? So, see this, how the color is can you see? Just see how rainbow is formed. Very hot source of light and continuous spectrum is there. That's why after rain, the raindrops are in air, and after rain when the sun comes out, all the rays are there to disperse on the raindrops and absorption of spectrum. You can see the 7 colors so nicely, so beautiful. University of Illinois has explained about spectrum so nicely. Look, sun rays are coming and all the colors are coming with different wavelength. Can you see this? So beautifully, University of Illinois has explained about spectrum. Nanometer is to measure the wavelength of colors. Can you see so beautifully they have explained about, look, the longest wavelength is red, then orange, then yellow, then green. Did you understand about the spectrum? And properties of psychological properties of a color depends upon the wavelength of the color. Thank you.